Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see CVV number on Bajaj EMI card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you cannot view the number, CVV number on your card online as it's a security feature that is not displayed. However, here's how you can find it. So there's a few different ways how to find your CVV number. So you can check your physical card. The CVV is usually printed on the back of your card. You can contact the Bajaj FinServe support, so you can call their helpline or visit their official website. Use the wallet app. You can check card details, but CVV is not visible due to security reasons on the app. For virtual EMI cards, if you have a digital EMI card, you may need to contact customer service to request CVV details or get a replacement card. If you need more help, just let me know in the comments below.